On to the work that I like to do here. So some of the work we've seen here recently was oil changes with vehicles in despair, and just oil changes and out the door they go. It is what it is. Right now we're moving on to some used car recondition work, and this is the 11 Honda Civic. We're going to do a rim restoration so you can see the old one and what we've done so far, and then we're actually going to restore the OEM hubcaps. So Jude nominated me to paint correct the hubcaps, so that's what I'm going to do next. One wheel is drying, the other one needs to be balanced, and then we'll move on to prepping that wheel, and then we'll finish up the used car recondition work. Caleb is doing some more used car recondition work over there. That's it. The bays are empty, the phones aren't ringing, and customers aren't coming in, and what little are not spending. Welcome to the auto repair industry.